Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to learn Java from documentation, easy method. Open official Java docs, pick a core API like Java, Lang, and read one class per session focusing on methods and examples. Take notes, run small code snippets, and experiment with parameters. Repeat with Java, util and Java. EO, build tiny projects to apply new APIs and track progress in a simple checklist. Use search to find examples and pay attention to deprecation notes. Start by mapping your goals, like mastering collections or concurrency, then focus the docs accordingly. Break learning into daily goals, read method signatures, and run written examples in a small IDE project. Write tests for behaviors, refactor code to understand edge cases, and bookmark useful pages. Join forums to clarify doubts and revisit API changes regularly to keep skills current and build confident mastery. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Practice reading Java docs for classes you use daily, and implement one new method each session. Create mini projects like parsers or data processors to apply unfamiliar APIs, and use profiling to observe performance. Pair with code reviews or rubber duck explanations to solidify understanding, and schedule regular revisits to complex APIs to reduce confusion and increase retention. Be patient and consistent. Aim for steady progress over quick perfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.